I realized that my actions would be exposed to everyone. I would be called a thief, a liar, and my reputation would be tarnished forever.
The story of the teacher and the stolen watch. A young man saw his elementary school teacher at a wedding. He approached his teacher with all due respect.
"Do you remember me, sir?"
The teacher replied,
I don't remember you very well. Tell me about yourself.
The former student said,
"I was in your third grade class. I stole a classmate's watch back then. I'm sure you remember that. One of my classmates had a very nice watch, so I stole it. She cried and told you that someone had stolen her watch. You asked the whole class to stand up and emptied our pockets. I realized that my actions would be exposed to everyone. I would be called a thief, a liar, and my reputation would be tarnished forever. You made us stand facing the wall with our eyes closed. You searched through each pocket, and when you found the watch in my pocket, you continued searching until you reached the last student. When it was all done, you told us to open our eyes and sit down. At that moment, I was truly afraid that you would call me out in front of everyone. But instead, you showed the watch to the whole class and returned it to its owner. You didn't name the thief. You didn't say a word to me, and you never mentioned it to anyone. Throughout my elementary school years, no teacher or student ever brought up the watch incident. I believe you saved my dignity that day. Don't you remember me, sir? I'm sure you must remember the story of the stolen watch, and you didn't want to embarrass me. It's a story I can never forget."
The teacher replied,
I couldn't remember who took the watch that day, because I closed my eyes when I searched the pockets. I thought that stealing the watch was a momentary act of recklessness by you all. I didn't want that action to remain in your memory as a stain, but rather as a lesson learned. So, it's best that I didn't know who did it and didn't bring it up again, because I believe whoever took it would learn to be better on their own.
Education is about guiding people toward goodness, not about punishment.